So tonight we've got a big trade going on, guys. We're balls deep in this thing. BPMX, it's looking like a picture perfect trade. I'm in, Mike's in, even his girlfriend's in. But that comes to the point of you need to approach every trade with the no expectations rule, because this thing looks so good, it's probably not even gonna work out, but we're gonna see how it goes. But first, we need to go eat some stinky cheese. Cheese. So, what is the no expectations rule? This is basically understanding the notion that the more expectations you have when it comes to day trading, the more and more you're going to be setting yourself up for failure. The dumbest question I always get in the stock market or trading in general is, hey Fous, what's this stock going to do? Like, I don't fucking know. Like, what do you think about psychic or a genie? Nobody has no clue what any stock is going to do at any given time on any given day, okay? It doesn't matter who you are. There's a 50-50 chance of you being right or wrong. Add human emotion into that factor, and it's probably more like 90 to 10% of you being, gonna lose. So the day trading game is very difficult, and this is exactly why I just started my new training product called Cloud9, which is all about just finding that zen, and just kind of finding that peace, as you can see here. Okay, you cannot do it. Shut the fuck up! Fuck. Fucking serious? I will fuck these guys up. Okay, so I wasn't really in zen mode there. I was very distracted, but the actual product is great. But anyways, guys, so we have an amazing trade setup right now. It's basically picture perfect, but I'm going into this knowing that anything could happen. I have zero expectations, so I'm just gonna show you guys live what's going on here with this trade. It's BPMX. I'm balls deep. I got about 40,000 shares. Would have liked to add more. Mike's in 50,000. We got a bunch of students in this as well, so we'll see how it goes. I have zero expectations. It's in a perfect Fous 4 pattern, okay? But let me tell you what, trading is not about picking stocks, okay? Trading is nothing more than finding, a bucket full of opportunities and managing the risk from there, okay? So people are like, hey Fous, what do you think this stock's gonna do? I have absolutely zero clue what the stock is gonna do. The right question you should be asking is, what are you gonna do if it does this? What are you gonna do if it does that, okay? It's a cause and reaction. It's just managing risk. If it goes up, I'll probably lock in some gains and make some money. If it goes down, my goal is to sell it for as little of a loss as possible. That is it, and that's day trading in a nutshell. So we are heading into the market open here, guys. Again, no expectations, anything can happen. Trump just bombed Syria. We just had jobs numbers come out, and both of these things affected the Dow futures. So we're actually down here pre-market. BPMX still sitting here. We're hoping to see it break out above this line at about 60 cents. It's actually down slightly pre-market, back down to 58. So it's down 2 cents pre-market. So anything could happen here. We're gonna be doing this live on Fous TV, just like we do every day for you guys. So let's check it out. Offers a 64.5 BPMX, what we got. So if we get over 65 cents here, this is an F1 breakout.
You can tell, guys, the way it traded yesterday, and the way it's trading today, you've got to give it a little time to let it do its thing, I think.
So it is the following day, and I'm up $3,000 on BPMX. Again, did I know that it was gonna do this? No, but I did take a trade that was a high probability setup, something that I'm very familiar with, and something that I teach all the time in Fous 4, but at the same time, I had zero expectations that it's gonna do this. I'm not saying I told you it was gonna do this. It could have easily just as well dropped and I sold it for a loss, but I managed the risk along the way up, and now I'm up $3,000. So that's what day trading is. You can see here on this trade, BPMX, if this will focus, there it is, 40,000 shares, I'm averaging at 57 cents, up $3,000. So I'm actually editing the vlog that we're putting together right now. But that is it. We got a couple things going on right now. We're about to go on a hike, and then we're getting out of here, guys. And we'll see how the rest of this trade plays out in Bangkok next week. All right, guys, we are just getting to the top of Koh Ra. A little hike. Me and Sandra here, and our buddy Jordan up ahead. So we'll see how it goes. It's definitely a tough one, not easy. So we'll see if this is actually a viewpoint that's worth coming up here or not. And Looks like we just got a bunch of fog.
We're in a cloud.
But was it worth the blood, sweat, and tears? I don't know, what do you think?
I'm undecided.
Guys, so it cleared up a little bit so we can actually see this view. So I suppose this is actually worth it because this is actually quite beautiful out here.
It was worth it. Worth the blood, sweat, and tears.
Yeah, the blood, sweat, and tears.
Sandra is crying the whole time. All right, you guys check this out. A freaking scorpion. Look at that thing. That is a scorpion. Dun 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 dun. We're gonna go check the sunset because it looks absolutely amazing.